on the phone in front.
What are they?
He's up to his ear, left ear.
Oh, there. Oh, isn't it? No bed.
Hello.
No bed. No bed. No bed. Who's that?
Our mum.
No bed.
Guy on the front is that I haven't got his phone. We're gonna get a kid's McDonald's.
No bed. Oh.
She was on the phone as well, then.
She's not on the phone.
She was.
No, she's not on her phone, Alexi. She's not. And you stop telling everyone people are on their phone. They're not on the phone.
That's a lovely iPhone she has.
Stop it. Gosh. Good parking. No bed.
Boo. That's what doesn't look getting any better, does it?
She up to?
Driving a bit forward.
Right, okie dokie.
No, the pink one.
What's he doing?
Lingo one.
I have no idea. I don't think he can drive his big Range Rover.
I need to go the wrong way.
I know. Idiot. Oh, there. What's on no bed? There's fucking no beds everywhere today, isn't there? I've said it before, but there is no reason for putting that in front of someone. You've either not seen them, in which case you're a dickhead for not looking, or you've seen them and pulled out anyway, in which case you're a dickhead again. So just stop pulling out in front of people. People, stop putting out in front of people. What was that, Alexi?
A complete and utter twat!
Thank you.
Red light!
No, I'm counting both of them as red lights, because that van could have stopped easily.
Do you know how long you're going to be down now, or are you not sure yet?
Should we call that knob end a red light?
I think we should.
Okay.
That was clever, wasn't it?
Say dickhead.
Dickhead!
Well,
Do you want to do some more clapping? You can if you want. Do you want to give me a way?
Way! See. Can you see the flowers, Maisie?
Oh, you fucking hate people. Like, why does she just sit there shaking her head at me? Because I went, that's it. Just be self-entitled little bitch. Grr.
She shouldn't have pulled out then, really, should she?
Grr.
Grr!
Things that make you go,
I don't want this.
You can see I was coming at you, knob end. Why did you jump forward? What an asshole. You're not being serious, are you? You're not. Why don't you just drive forward a bit? You've just blocked me in, you fucking silly. Wow. Fucking wow.
Right, let's go get the kitty minks. We parked up close to you.
Yeah, she. It's fucking
She?
silly. Fucking silly.
Oh dear.
I know. She literally got fucking tons of space in front of her, And then she decides to park right in front of me so I couldn't get out. Nasty, nasty, nasty bitch. So it turns out there's 2 knobheads in this one. Knobhead number 1 is you for trying to overtake a cyclist when it's not safe. Knobhead number 2 is this guy because he actually moved over to try and stop knobhead number 1 from overtaking knobhead number 3. Things that make you go,
What's she doing?
What in the actual fuck is wrong with people today? There's some proper inbreeds about today, isn't there? That's not normal. That ain't normal, man. That's just fucking bizarre. I don't fucking understand. What a strange little being. Fuck me. I'm glad I parked up for the day because there's some proper freaky little beings about today. There's another car. What a prick. What a prick.